Today in this video we will learn about how to register a new domain under a particular customer in Hostcontrol. Registration of a domain name is always done under a particular customer. Therefore, the basic step would be to create a new customer before registering a domain name. In order to create a customer, click on Create Customer. Now enter various credentials which is required to sign up for that customer. Once you have created the customer, click on the Details button given in front of the customer's name. You can ignore this step if you have already created a customer. Now go to Product section and click on Domains. Now click on Actions and then click on Register a Domain. Now enter the domain name and click on Show Code. This will show purchase price for a reseller, that is you. And finally the domain is registered.